Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm still your girl, Empress Blessing Bassi. Whether you like it or not, I am still your baby girl. Anyways, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe because I don't really know what you're waiting for. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more content, interesting content, adverts, games, and all of that. Yeah, I'm still going to do a whole lot more, so kindly subscribe and stay tuned to my channel. Anyways, today I'm going to be making a dress. No, not a dress, sorry, joggers. Like this is my Christmas gift, and I'm so excited because I finally got a Christmas gift. So let's talk about tailors actually and fashion designers. What do you think? When last did you go to the market to pick a gift for your tailor or your fashion designer, like the person that makes you look good or makes you look presentable or makes you stand out because of the clothes you're wearing or something like that? When last did you think of buying your tailor or fashion designer a gift? Like seriously, this is Christmas. Have you gotten Christmas gift for your tailor or your fashion designer? Or all you're concerned about is, will they sew your clothes? Will your clothes be ready before Christmas? No, they're human beings as well. So if you're not getting them a gift, please start doing that now. And if already you're doing that, well, thank you. We love you. Congratulations. I'm not a tailor though, but my mom was one. I don't know why I don't really know how to do anything about clothes or sewing or anything. But let's try and appreciate our tailors. Is there anything like Tailor's Day or Fashion Designers Day? I don't know if there is, but if there isn't, then that's very bad because we're supposed to be celebrating tailors, fashion designers, because those people go out of their way to make sure we look good. They go out of their way to make sure our pim is covered. Like seriously, there's supposed to be something like Happy Tailor's Day or Happy Fashion Designers Day, where we get to celebrate our tailors and fashion designers, thank them for making us look good, for making us look presentable, for helping us cover our body and all of that. Being a tailor, I don't think it's easy. No, it looks easy though, but seriously, I don't think it is really easy. So yeah, we're supposed to celebrate them. Anyways, this is Vixen Stitches. He does anything, two pieces, joggers, shirts, anything at all. He sews senator, like he sews for guys and sews for ladies also, but I don't think he does gown actually. So this is him making a joggers for me actually. So if you don't know how to sew joggers, this is an opportunity for you to learn how to sew joggers. And if you don't have anybody sewing for you or you don't have any good tailor around you, you can always patronize Vixen Stitches. So yeah, he does so many stuffs. So watch till the end and learn how we did everything, how we put the pocket, how we joined both legs together, how we did the waist, the leg, and everything. And you can always leave a comment below in the comment section. Don't forget to also like and don't forget to subscribe if you've not. And if you have something to say or something you don't agree with in the video, or maybe you think one or two of his sewings is wrong, or maybe you want to patronize, you can always leave that also in the comment section, and we promise to reply everything in the comment section. I promise to reach out to you also. Thanks, and I hope you enjoyed the video till the end. Yay! So yeah, that's the end of the video, and this is me testing my joggers. Like, I am trying out my new joggers. Ooh. Wow, I'm excited, super 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 excited. Bye.